action! Hello guys, it's Boredom from Sweden, and I'm here today with Papa, and we're gonna be opening cases. Maybe a lot, maybe a few, because Papa's so damn old, we're also playing bingo.
Bingo!
And our bingo board actually looks like this, and as you know with bingo, if you complete one line anywhere on the board, you complete the challenge.
Yes.
Now some of these are pretty hard, like golden checkmark, gold unboxing, or opening a 0.1337 float. And some of them are also pretty easy, like getting baited by a red or getting enough pinks for a trade up. Wow, an original concept for an anomaly video. That's crazy. Well, of course I stole the idea from a guy on Twitter who joined the giveaway that me and Skinland were doing, where you had to come up with an idea for a video. Which is also, of course, why I want to thank today's video sponsor, which is Skinland. Skinland is a CS2 marketplace where you can buy and sell your CS2 skins for real money safely. And very important, you can use code ANOMALY to get a bonus of up to $10 if you sell skins for $100 or more. On Skinland, you can buy skins for a lot cheaper than Steam as well, using one of their many payment methods. For example, on Skinland, a Talon Marble would cost you $830. Meanwhile, on Steam, you'd pay over €1,050, which is way more. Thank you once again, Skinland, very much for sponsoring this video, and now let's get back to it. Now, Papa,
yes,
we have all of these cases here, and hopefully, before we hit the daily spend limit, we're going to be completing one of the bingo lines.
Yes. Wait, I'm reading my script. Yes, that would be fun.
Papa's got dementia now.
Yes.
First case, Papa, honors go to you. Oh, 0.29. Okay, I already know this is not bingo yet. Let's keep opening. Another blue. Oh, okay. This is the first time ever I'm low-key feeling like, okay, let's get some blues.
Yeah.
Okay. 7 blues in a row. We may be closing in on the first bingo. Yes, that's 8. Oy, okay. We're at 9 blues in a row, Papa. So if we get one more, that means we'll have our first checkbox. Please, for the love of God, give me a blue.
Yeah.
If I don't get it now, actually, I'll be very upset. Yes! There we go, Papa!
Bingo!
No, well, it's not bingo yet, Papa.
Ah!
Wait, 0.93. No! Looking at the bingo board, if we got 0.95, we would have gotten another one. But we at least got this one. Open 10 blue skins in a row. There we go. Our first bingo check mark.
Close to bingo now.
What we're gonna do, probably after every 20 or so, we're gonna go through and see if we hit any other bingos. Because you need to go through and check the flow. Yo, no way, Papa, 0.69! Yes! Look here, open a float 0.69. Wapam. There we go, Papa. Look, we already have 2.
Yeah.
So now we can build like upwards here and upwards here, like the Twin Towers. We can build down like this, like when they fell over. We need a pink now, a pink for sure. Ah! Okay, Papa. I guess that counts as being baited by red. Oh my god, wait, look. We can actually do this.
Yeah.
That's a very good start. Now it's looking easy. I may regret this in a few minutes saying this, but this could be pretty easy. Let's see. Memorial. Battle scarred. Factory new. Field tested. Well worn. We just need a minimal wear. Yes! Papa. There we go. That means open the same skin in every possible exterior is now completed. I have so many bingo things about getting pinks, but we have no pinks. Come on, man. Oh, wait. Oh, yes, that was it. That was a rainbow case.
Yeah.
We saw red, pink, purple, and blue. Look, rainbow case.
Yeah.
Gay. There we go. Boom, completed. Yo, this is actually, you see, we're building a lot here in the bottom. If we're super unlucky, we're gonna hit the spend limit. Hey, our first pink, Papa. That actually unlocks so many possibilities here. If within the last 5 cases or next 5 cases we have a blue and a pink, that's another checked off. Let's say, yes, look, blue, purple, pink. That checks off, open a blue, purple, and pink in 5 cases. We did it in 3, Papa. That pink really reinvigorated me, Papa. I feel like I just popped a Rhino gas station 5-hour boner pill.
Yeah.
Which I did. Bingo! Bingo! Oh! 3 in a row! Oh, yes, Papa! Open this. Sorry, that was pure reflex.
Dog, see?
Actually, on 2 angles now, we're doing pretty good. Ah! Okay.
Okay, it's a pink.
Wait, is it 20 cases?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, Papa!
Yeah.
Open 2 pinks within 20 cases.
Yeah.
Hey, Papa, that's actually pretty good. That's another pink.
Don't hit me.
Nah. Please be field tested or better. No! Open one of every pink in field tested or better. And it's well worn.
Every pink.
Yeah. Oh my god, Papa! Oh, print stream!
Yeah.
That's actually so... It's battle scarred. Yeah, man. Oh my god, the float! 0.99 on the red! It being 0.99 actually unlocks this one.
Yes.
There we go. Now it's looking very doable.
Yeah.
And now, even though it's showing we have the AK, we don't. The only two skins we're missing is the AK and the FAMAS. That's pretty good. Because completing the golden check mark is another bingo. Oi! No! If this was the AK, we would have been so close. One more pink, then we'll have another box. I just realized, Papa, that op print stream we got, it helped complete two. Not the open two reds, but open one of each quality skin, excluding gold. Boom! Oh, yes, Papa, that's what we needed.
Yeah.
Battle scarred. Okay, that doesn't matter. With this one, we have 5 pinks. Now we only need 1 FAMAS, and then we have the whole golden check mark. And with this one opened, we have opened a main rifle for CT and a main rifle for T. Look, Papa, we're actually closing in now.
Only 2.
Okay, Papa, but we keep going. We're actually decently close now.
Yeah, it's very scattered though.
Wait. Yeah. You're like a unicorn. Okay, a pink. That's pretty good.
That's not pretty good. Nej men ta bort det.
Minimal wear pink. Wait, does that even help us? No. Quick roll. Let this be field tested or better.
You're being trolled by Val.
Of what now?
Baba boy!
No. I hate being alive, Papa.
I hate bingo!
Ooh. Oh! 0.00! Stat track
Oh!
factory new!
We have a... yes.
Open a 0.00 float. Boom! We're getting closer though. This was actually a pretty fun idea. Fun concept. Thank you, me with the original idea.
Yeah, you are so clever.
Oh! Papa!
Yeah, we
that's so
needed
good.
that.
We needed it. Papa, I fucking love you. Golden check mark, baby. Yes, sir. Open 2 reds and golden check mark. Oh, we're only 1 off here. Look.
Yeah.
I just realized now, Papa, there's a mistake in my bingo board. The gold unboxing is supposed to be in the middle because that connects to 4 different rows. So we're gonna just change places with these. Boom. And there we have it, Papa.
Yeah.
And now it doesn't make any row easier or harder. It just makes, yeah, I mean, it makes maybe a little bit harder. Ooh, whopping. So now, if we get the gold, Papa,
Yeah.
we are done.
Yo.
If we get the gold... Oh my god! No way, Papa! Yes! Papa, I fucking love you! What the fuck? Papa! Everyone's gonna think it's scripted! What? There's actually no way!
Tiger
It's
toad.
a tiger toad, Papa, but it's
Yeah.
not a great knife. Factory new. Survival tiger tooth? Yeah, 255 euro. It could be worse.
Yeah.
Because I cheated, I'll change them back. I'm not even kidding,
What?
Papa. So now gold unboxing is done. Because there's no way we're gonna change it and then insta-win.
Yeah, that's
Literally on the next case. Because then everyone thinks it's scripted. So, Papa, this is what it looks like right now. If we get a stat track pink, we actually win. If we get purple factory news, we win. Or if we get a field tested pink, we also win. So we're really close to winning. Battle scarred. Please. 2 more battle scarred now. Ah, no. But it's a purple. So we're like switching lanes. McSkillet. Bro, we just need some pinks. And it's a 3% chance for a pink. Come on, man.
Is it that low?
Oh! A pink! Wait, now we have 10 for the trade-up.
Yeah.
Boom. No way! Literally, I couldn't have scripted this bingo board better. Whoa! That's pretty good condition.
Yes.
Never mind, I'm just lying because I love it. We get a red and it doesn't help. The only red that helps is a stat track red. Fuck. Battle scarred purple. Okay, now we're on actually, Papa.
Yeah, we have 2
We have 2 purples and 1 battle scarred. If we get another purple, we win!
Yeah.
We need a purple. Papa, you open this one.
Baba boy!
Purple and we win. Purple and we win. We don't have to waste more money. No! I should have just taken the win when I rearranged the board.
Yeah.
I should have just taken the win. Quick roll. Boom. Oh no. Minimal 1337. Oh my god! Wait! Wait.
No, yeah.
No, it's not! It's not! Oh my fucking god, Papa! No fucking way it's not! It's even rarer! It's elite, Papa! It's 1333.7!
You could change that and add another 3.
Hey! No, I'm not gonna cheat, Papa, unlike Dr. Disrespect and his wife. That is mega battle scarred. 96, okay? 2 of the same one battle scarred. Okay, Papa, here we go again. Wapam. I think we hit it. Yeah. Oh my god. Wait, no, it's gonna be well-worn or something. Battle scarred! Yes! Papa! It's so good! Battle scarred! I didn't think it was! Wait, let me confirm. 1 battle scarred, 2 battle scarred, 3 battle scarred, Papa.
Is it?
Nay, there is no fucking line it connects to. We make it green, but it doesn't finish anything. I guess we have to keep going. It is not boding well, Papa, I'm not gonna lie. We could have been done so long ago if I just wasn't a fucking idiot.
Yes.
Papa, please! Please be over field tested. So I need every single of these 3 pinks in field tested or better. Glock, you can see I have. The UMP I have, factory new actually. So it's just this one. If this new one I opened is field tested or better, Papa,
Yep.
we have officially won. Yes! Papa! Open 1 of every pink in field tested or better. Boom.
Boom.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a row of bingo. Papa.
Bingo, motherfucker!
Bingo!
Yeah.
That's actually very nice. Papa,
Yeah.
this was beautiful.
It was.
Thank you for playing bingo with me, Papa, you old fuck.
Yeah,
and
thank you.
you, gentlemen, for watching this video. These cases, yeah. I normally open the case. Bro, shut up. I already spent so much money. These cases are going straight on Steam Market for balance for the next case opening. Tiger Tot!
Yeah!
Fuck! I...